Good afternoon, guys. I'm gonna load my laundry for today. It's already, I think, 5 p.m. already. I'm not so sure. But I'm gonna load my laundry now. Yeah. I'm gonna load it now. It's all mixed with white and other colors. Doesn't care. Pero lahat ito mga panlamig. Yeah. And later I'm gonna put fabric softener. I'm gonna put fabric softener so it will smell good. I'm not promoting this product, but these are always the one that we use. I put 2 scoops, 2.5 scoop. My previous landlord told us clothes here in New Zealand are not all dirty, but because Michael is working outdoors, so it's very dirty. So I would rather add additional scoop in order to remove all the dirt. I'm turning it on now. We use the daily wash, cotton and mix for 1 hour and 6 minutes. Then it's now putting water, sensing the load, and later if it's already rinsing, I'm gonna put fabric softener. I already mentioned. Yeah. And this is my broken, what do you call this? I don't know. It's a broken one that needs to be replaced. Yeah. No? I'm done. I just need to go back here later when this laundry is done after an hour.